Welcome back to Barks and Breeds. We're so glad to have you with us today. Whether you're a new dog owner or have been caring for dogs for years, it's always a good idea to be prepared for emergencies. Today's episode is all about first aid for dogs, essential tips that every dog owner should know to handle emergencies until professional help arrives. Accidents and emergencies can happen at any time, so it's crucial to know the basics of canine first aid. Let's go over some common situations and what you can do to help your dog in each case. First, let's talk about choking. If your dog is gagging, pawing at their mouth, or having trouble breathing, they might have something lodged in their throat. Try to carefully open their mouth and check for any visible objects. If you can see something, use tweezers or your fingers to gently remove it. Be cautious. Dogs can panic when choking, so stay calm and act quickly. Next up is bleeding. If your dog has a cut, apply pressure with a clean cloth or bandage to stop the bleeding. Once the bleeding is controlled, you'll want to clean the area with a pet-safe antiseptic before applying a bandage or taking them to the vet. Heat stroke is another critical concern, especially during the warmer months. Signs of heat stroke in dogs include excessive panting, drooling, and weakness. If you suspect your dog is overheating, move them to a cooler area immediately and apply cool, not cold, water to their body, focusing on their belly, paws, and ears. Offer them small amounts of water, but avoid ice-cold drinks, which can shock their system. What about if your dog gets into something toxic? Whether it's a household item or food, poisoning can cause vomiting, lethargy, and even seizures. Contact your veterinarian or a pet poison hotline right away if you suspect your dog has ingested something harmful. Having activated charcoal on hand can be useful, as it can help absorb some toxins, but always consult a professional before administering it. For broken bones or sprains, keep your dog as still as possible and gently wrap the injured area with a soft cloth to immobilize it. Avoid putting pressure on the injured area. Transport your dog to the vet right away for proper treatment. Burns can also happen, especially if your dog accidentally gets too close to a stove or fireplace. If your dog suffers a burn, run cool, not cold, water over the area for several minutes. Do not apply ice or any ointments, as they can trap heat. After cooling the area, cover the burn with a sterile dressing and seek veterinary care immediately. One thing every dog owner should have is a first aid kit specifically for dogs. Make sure it includes essentials like bandages, tweezers, a digital thermometer, antiseptic wipes, and a muzzle, because even the calmest dog might bite when they're in pain. And remember, in any emergency situation, always remain calm. Your dog will take cues from your energy, so staying composed will help them feel more secure while you provide care. We hope these tips give you more confidence to handle common first aid situations with your dog. Always remember that first aid is just the first step. Be sure to seek professional veterinary care as soon as possible. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Barks and Breeds for more tips on keeping your dog safe, happy, and healthy. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.